Hello techies, in this video we'll learn setting up development environment and creating initial application. We set up development environment by installing required softwares. So now we see what softwares to install. For development purpose, Visual Studio Code is preferable. So link is provided below in the description. Please download and install. For runtime, we need Node. Link is provided below in the description. Please download and install. Once Node is installed, please verify the version in the command prompt. And next, we have to install Angular CLI to create initial application. To install Angular CLI, please open command prompt and type the command. Now we create our initial application. To create our first application, we'll follow 3 steps. Step 1 is, please go to any drive of your choice in your mission and create a folder. Step 2 is open command prompt and navigate to the folder that we have created. Now we'll understand Angular CLI command to create project. NG stands for Angular CLI. New is a command which creates a new workspace and an initial Angular app. Angular web app is the project name. You can use any name of your choice. Once you have typed this command, please press enter, which will create a new workspace with the name Angular Web App, and inside that workspace, it creates a initial project. If you face any issues while creating your first application, please comment below so that I can help you out. If commands run successfully, you can go to the folder location and find the created workspace and initial application. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. For latest video notification, please click on subscribe button and bell icon. Like the video and share with others. If you have any queries, please comment below. Have a nice day.